What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I'm getting off of work finally. Again, so much shit to do. All right, let me put all this in and get her started. That tint is darker, a lot better. It only cost me 70 bucks. I am very pleased. Went a little bit darker. It came from a 25 to a 20, 20% darker. Or, yeah, 20% on tint. It's looking really good. All right, so look, black. This is, I can't see. No, it's playing. Anyways, so tomorrow I should be receiving my stuff to put on my car. I'm excited about it. I can't wait. It's going to be good. It's going to make the car look even better. Well, not saying the car looks like crap, but it is worth. It was worth getting. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready, hit it off, get ready to head home, and chill for the night. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go this way. Welcome back, fam. I like this orange shirt. My wife bought it for me. So I am just now leaving the Advanced Auto Parts store. Had to get some stuff. What was that? I had to get some stuff. So I'm gonna be doing a little project. This is what I picked up. Picked up a little bit smaller torque wrench. I only have a big one. So I can get something done. Well, actually today I'm gonna go ahead and drain my diff. I don't know when it was done last, but I'm going ahead and knock that out of the way and have another project to do. So I'll see you boys back at home, or I'll see y'all back at home. All right, so look what finally came in. I'm excited. This is awesome. Street Arrow. So let's get this box open and see. Yo, I'm gonna have this stuff all over the garage and I'm gonna get yelled at for this, but all right, some more stuff to look at. We're looking at that. Oh, I'm excited. Yay, yay. Your boy got a diffuser. There's more over there I'm gonna get to. So this is gonna be awesome. So yeah, I finally got these in. These are awesome. How much did I get? Yeah, I got the one that comes out like that. The funny part is, I already have these because I ordered one last year I want to say. I ordered a universal and I got like sides, which is those over there, and the rears, and then I didn't order this, so I'm potentially gonna give those away. But far as that, gonna get these slapped on and be done. Yo, it's looking really good. I like that. I don't know if I should come out a little bit more with it or if it looks good as where it's at. But yeah, I'll just take a look at it each time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put off my changing my differential fluid. I'm gonna do that another time because I'm gonna go ahead. I went ahead and order those what do you call those? Get those drain plugs, the drain plug and the other plug to get those the seal rechanged because I don't want to pop it open and the seal it's damaged and it needs to be replaced. I'd rather save myself of waiting and needing knowing any fluid. So I'm going to put that off until I get the Z1 drain plug seals, then drain it from there. But all right, guys, I'm going to end the video for today. I'll sketch you on another one. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications. All right, guys, peace until next time.